Singapore on Wednesday executed a mentally disabled Malaysian man condemned for a drug offence after a court dismissed a last-minute challenge from his mother and international pleas to spare him. Nagaenthran K. Dharmalingam, 34, had been on death row for over a decade after he was convicted of trafficking about 43 grams, 1.5 ounces, of heroin into Singapore. The city-state's government has said its use of the death penalty for drug crimes is made clear at the borders. Nagaenthran's family and social activists confirmed the execution Wednesday. On this score, Maya declare that Malaysia is far more humane, his sister Sarmila Dharmalingam said. 0 to Singapore on this. Nagaenthran's supporters and lawyers said he had an IQ of 69 and was intellectually disabled, and that the execution of a mentally ill person was prohibited under international human rights law. Singapore's courts ruled, citing psychiatrists' testimony in court, that he was not mentally disabled and had understood his actions at the time of his crime. Nagaenthran Dharmalingam's name will go down in history as the victim of a tragic miscarriage of justice, said Maya Foa, director of non-gov. The court dismissed the motion, describing it as frivolous. His family said Nagaenthran's body will be brought to their hometown in Malaysia's northern state of Perak, where they have made preparations for his funeral. Singapore had halted executions for 2 years because of the COVID-19 pandemic before resuming them with the execution of a drug trafficker in March. Anyone found with over 15 grams, 0.5 ounces, of heroin faces the death sentence in Singapore, although judges can reduce this to life in prison at their discretion. Attempts to reduce Nagaenthran's sentence or obtain a presidential pardon failed. Malaysia's leader, European Union representatives and global figures such as British business magnate Richard Branson called for Nagaenthran's life to be spared and used the case to advocate for ending capital punishment.